Welcome back to Spectrum News 1, everybody. Meteorologist Robert Suhr back with you. Another check of that soggy Sunday forecast, unfortunately. Now, we're going to start with a look at the temperature trend. Not too bad the next couple of days, but once we get on the other side of midweek, we really start to warm up with temperatures flirting with that 90-degree mark. And you're going to notice an uptick in that humidity as well. So overall today, watching for scattered rain and thunderstorms, especially along and south of the parkways, with some heavy rainfall. Could be some lightning, some thunder as well. But I think by this afternoon, the activity does start to calm itself down a little bit. We've got this cold front just south of the area, going to continue to slowly sag its way. And these thunderstorm complexes, they love boundaries. They love to ride along boundaries for the most part. And that's sort of what this one will do, really fizzling out the further east it makes its way across the Commonwealth here. But by tomorrow, we are continuing to see another reinforcing shot of that cooler and more refreshing air. So Monday and Tuesday are looking absolutely splendid. You'll see here with Futurecast several waves of rainfall. Again, another system that's coming through that will be weakening as it's crossing the area. But notice pretty much at any time today, there will be some chances for showers and storms. That should be out of here by around sunset or so. Skies should quickly clear out. And we're looking at a pretty nice day to kick things off on Monday as we're heading back to work with temperatures for the most part in the 60s. Thankfully, as I said, the system will be weakening as it's moving through, which is going to keep the threat for excessive rainfall west of Kentucky Lake just clipping far extreme western Kentucky here. Again, this is rain that's heavy enough to result in flash flooding. So just keep that in mind and don't ever drive through flooded roadways. When all is said and done, some locations could pick up over an inch of rain if you get into some of those heavier, more persistent bands. But again, some places will pick up little if any rainfall. So just keep that in mind. Very widely, high amounts across the tri-state here. They will vary quite substantially. Upper 70s with those rain and storms moving through at times today. Well below average for this time of the year. Lows tonight, not too bad. Upper 50s and lower 60s. But notice after a splendid Monday and Tuesday, temperatures quickly start to warm up and that humidity increases, flirting with 90 degrees for most locations by the end of the week.